The planning of cleaning staff activities for client premises is carried out through the Service Desk web application, with tasks seamlessly transferred to the mobile application. A supervisor initiates the process by selecting the relevant object. These objects can be broken down into detailed segments, allowing precise task allocation. Within the selected spaces, a new plan can be defined. In the plan settings, it is possible to assign a service organization, a specific worker, or a group of workers responsible for the tasks. Once the plan is saved, individual tasks are automatically generated and assigned to the appropriate cleaning personnel through the mobile application. The maintenance worker begins their shift by clicking on the Workday tile in the mobile app. They can filter tasks by date or by specific area. The mobile application reflects the data entered in the web application, ensuring consistency. The My Tasks section displays all scheduled activities expected to be completed. Tasks are processed using designated buttons, either mandatory or optional, and comments can be added as needed. Additionally, photo documentation of the work performed can be attached. Once submitted, the task is marked as completed, and the worker returns to their daily task overview to select the next task. They can also select additional activities that fall within the same workday. At the end of the shift, the worker concludes the workday by clicking the red Finish Work button. All completed tasks are continuously synchronized with the web application throughout the day, where they are available for ongoing processing and review. Upon opening a completed task, it is possible to view which items were confirmed by the cleaning staff, who performed the work, and at what time. If photo documentation was added, it is also displayed. Above the task overview, users have access to reporting features. Reports can be exported in various formats according to requirements. Additionally, dashboards can be configured based on client needs, for example, to evaluate KPIs. Supervisors can view task status summaries, including completed and uncompleted tasks, with direct access to reporting for further analysis.